Welcome to Basic IT System. Today I'll show you the top browser extension that will improve your online security, privacy and productivity. This video about top 4 essential browser extension for security and productivity 2024. First, open your browser. The first extension is ad blockers like uBlock, Origin Stop, intrusive ads, and it speed up your browsing and block your trackers and helping protect your privacy. Just simply go to settings, this icon, and go to extension and visit Chrome Web Store. Type uBlock and then search. The first list, as you can see, just simply click on it and add to your browser. That's it. Next, password manager like LastPass. Simply type LastPass and enter. It's generate and store strong passwords securely. No need to remember them, just let the extension handle it. So the first one, click on it and add to your Chrome browser, add extension. When it's successfully downloaded, it will require to log in. So just simply click on it and create an account. Give your email address and your master password and confirm your master password, and it's optional. Remember, you can put some information to remain something, or you can blank it. So after that, this requirement, just simply sign up. It's free. And when you create to register this account, just simply go to login and give your email address just you created earlier and your password. So that's how can it's sync your account, and it's also remember your password, and also to keep your password safe securely. The third extension is Privacy Badger. This tool automatically detects and blocks trackers that follow you around the web, helping to safeguard your privacy as you browse. Just simply search Privacy Badger. Enter. The first one, as you can see, click on it simply and add to Chrome, add extension. So there you are. Now I will talk about productivity tools. If you boost your productivity, write something with Grammarly, then there is a outstanding extension that's called OneTap. Just simply search OneTap and hit enter. Click on it. It's boost productivity with Grammarly for better writing. To manage your open tabs, reducing browse clutter and memory use, just simply add to Chrome, add extension. That's how simple you can add this extension. So try these essentials to improve your browsing experience, and if video will help you, please don't subscribe to Basic IT System for more tech and tips. Thank you.